At Boiler India, we are with Vinita Singal. She is the Principal Secretary of Labour Department, Government of Maharashtra. Ma'am, welcome to the exhibition.
Thank you. Thank you so
And
much.
thanks for being part of our machine maker. This is the second edition of Boiler India, and Maharashtra itself is the biggest boiler market in Asia. So, how do you feel about this entire exhibition? How it is going to help the industry?
Actually, considering the national scenario, I would say that boilers are the backbone of any major industry, especially the manufacturing sector, which basically constitutes 17% of our industrial output. And in that context, I think this exhibition is something that is very, very important. We would have put it up earlier also. We planned it for last year also, but because of the unfortunate COVID situation, it could not have happened. And now that it is happening, I'm really very, very happy, and I'm really proud to be a part of this exhibition because it is generally going to give a boost to the whole industrial scenario. And fortunately, in the post-COVID period, the situation is really looking up. So it is a very opportune time for this exhibition to come up, and if it helps put various ideas, state-of-art technologies, and if it helps to put Maharashtra in an even more strengthened position than what it is now, I think the purpose of this exhibition and putting all these people together and industries together would definitely help.
Your department have done some amazing work. You see, now Maharashtra is having the very less, I think 0.6%.
0.02%.
0.02%. So you took a lot of initiative of getting the safety in the boiler sector. Can you just let us know the...
You see, in the boiler sector, regarding the safety initiatives, there are two things to be considered. One is, of course, we play the zero-sum game, whereby the standard inspections, the standard precautions that have to be taken so that no accident actually happens is the basic principle. But of course, the more important as of now is that the boilers have to be constantly upgraded and they have to be taken care of, which is a more technological part of it. So inspections and maintenance is the basic groundwork that we have to do. But the more important part is that the new boilers which are coming have to be state of art. Maintenance has to be state of art, and secondly, upgradation to an extent where they are where the boilers are not prone to any kind of accident whatsoever is something that we aim at, and we are proud to say that our achievement is par excellence and in fact compares to the best, if not absolutely the best in the world.
Now, as we know that Maharashtra itself is doing a lot of activities in the boiler segment, and what are any incentives government is planning to give to the industry so that more boiler industry can come and set up their facility here?
We are looking at two basic things. One is, of course, the consumption of the boilers in our own industry and within India also. I'm extremely proud to say that we are taking care of the boilers not only in our state but across India big time. So that is one point. And second is we are looking at the international trade. So we are looking at heavy industry which wants to come and which is making purchases in terms of boilers and helping and requiring our help and giving us business in terms of establishing their boilers across the world. And that is one reason why you see a lot of other countries also participating in this exhibition. So in terms of incentives, if there is heavy industry, major investments, and if we are fetching HDI, we would definitely be looking at it.
It is highly appreciable to see that how government is proactively participating. It is not just about safety. It is not about just, establishing more boilers here, but your view of building this industry with private and public partnership is completely commendable. And we wish you all the best for it.
Thank you so much, and I really look forward to all the dignitaries and the visitors who are here. We intend that a lot of business shall be transacted, and we would be extending all sort of help to all the participant states. There are more than 280 companies and there are more than 10 countries which are participating. We really look forward to cooperation and building up our relationship with all of them. And thank you all of you for being here, and for all those who are watching us online, I would be most happy to invite you again here. We are here for 3 days. Please keep joining us.
Thank you, ma'am.